Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let's see what you're gonna get inside this box. This is a premium screen protector, giving you the ultimate protection for your screen. So here I'm going to remove the wrap and just going to remove the top. Inside here there are a number of different things. So we've got this small package here. There are cleaner tissues and some wipe. Now there is also a weight rubber. So this is like a rubber weight. And then you got the installation tray, absorber pads, and you've got three tubes of this liquid adhesive. So we only need 2 of them. This is a spare. And then we got the UV light in here. So let's open up this UV light. It is a rectangle shape. So, and we got a preset time of 15 seconds and 60 seconds. So it comes with this package as well. So if you remove this top layer, underneath the tape. So this tape will help seal off the liquid from getting into other side buttons. And in here you get 2 packs of the screen protector, 2 packs of temper glass screen protector. And this is what the temper glass look like. It is straight and square. There's no curve on this one. Now as you can see, it is nice and flat. Rectangle shape, no curve at all. And there are 2 of them. So that is everything inside this package, ready for you to install the temper glass on your Galaxy S24 series. This is the S24 Ultra. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.